To transfer money using the Ecobank app, start by downloading and installing it from the Google Store or App Store. Once installed, log in with your account credentials, which include your account number and password. Navigate to the main menu section and click on the Send Money or Transfer option. If you're sending money to someone with an account at a different bank, select the Other Bank option. Then enter or choose the account you want to transfer the money to. You will need to provide the payee's account number and the amount you wish to transfer. Next, select the account you want to transfer the money from, such as a savings account. Carefully review the transaction details to ensure they are correct, and once confirmed, the transfer will be processed. After the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. The Ecobank app is not only useful for money transfers, but it also allows you to check your account balance, access other banking services, and view your transaction history. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money using the Ecobank app.